Picture a lightweight machine that blends classic trail bike heritage with modern style, the 2026 Yamaha DT 50X. This small but exciting motorcycle carries the legendary DT name, a series known for adventure, durability, and fun riding experiences. Welcome back to the channel SI Motor, where we explore the newest motorcycles, legendary bikes, and everything riders love about two wheels. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Yamaha DT 50X, a bike that proves small engines can still deliver big excitement. The Yamaha DT series has been part of motorcycle history for decades. Riders around the world remember these bikes as reliable trail machines that could handle both dirt paths and city roads. Yamaha built the DT lineup with one simple goal: create motorcycles that are fun, practical, and capable of exploring places where bigger bikes might struggle. The 2026 Yamaha DT 50X continues that tradition with a fresh design and modern touches while staying true to the adventurous spirit that made the DT series famous. When you first see the 2026 Yamaha DT 50X, the design immediately stands out. The bike has a tall off-road stance with a high front fender, slim body panels, and aggressive graphics. Yamaha clearly took inspiration from its modern motocross and enduro motorcycles. The sharp lines and sporty look give the DT 50X a bold personality, making it look much bigger and more powerful than its small engine might suggest. Another thing you'll notice is how lightweight the motorcycle appears. Yamaha engineers focused on building a compact frame that makes the bike easy to control. This lightweight construction improves maneuverability and gives riders confidence whether they're riding through narrow trails or navigating city streets. For beginners especially, this is a huge advantage because a lighter motorcycle is easier to balance and handle. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha DT 50X is a 50cc engine designed for smooth performance and efficiency. While it's not built for extreme speed, the engine provides enough power to deliver an enjoyable ride. The throttle response feels lively, and the bike accelerates smoothly for everyday riding. For new riders learning the basics of motorcycling, this type of engine is perfect because it offers control without overwhelming power. One of the strongest qualities of the DT 50X is its suspension system. Off-road motorcycles depend heavily on suspension performance, and Yamaha made sure this bike is capable of handling uneven terrain. The front telescopic forks absorb bumps and rough surfaces, while the rear suspension helps keep the bike stable on dirt trails. Together, these components create a comfortable ride even on challenging ground. The wheels and tires also highlight the off-road character of this motorcycle. The DT 50X comes with large spoked wheels and knobby tires that provide excellent traction. Whether the rider is traveling through mud, gravel, or loose dirt, the tires help maintain grip and control. This setup allows riders to explore different types of terrain with confidence. Riding comfort is another important factor Yamaha considered. The 2026 Yamaha DT 50X features an upright riding position that feels natural and relaxed. The wide handlebars allow precise control, and the seat is designed to keep riders comfortable during longer rides. This ergonomic setup is helpful for both new and experienced riders who want a balanced and enjoyable riding experience. Technology on the DT 50X remains simple but useful. The bike includes a modern digital instrument display that provides essential information such as speed and fuel level. The lighting system is bright and reliable, making the bike safe for riding in low light conditions. Yamaha focuses on practicality, ensuring that the rider has everything they need without unnecessary complexity. Safety is always a priority, even for smaller motorcycles. The braking system on the DT 50X offers reliable stopping power. The front disc brake provides strong and controlled braking, while the rear brake helps maintain stability. This combination ensures riders feel confident whether they're slowing down on pavement or navigating a downhill dirt trail. One reason small motorcycles like the DT 50X remain popular is how beginner-friendly they are. Many riders start their motorcycling journey on bikes in the 50cc category because they are easy to manage and forgiving to ride. The lightweight body, simple controls, and manageable power make the DT 50X an excellent learning platform for new riders. However, the bike isn't limited to beginners. Even experienced riders often enjoy small displacement motorcycles because they are playful and fun. Riding a lightweight bike on twisty roads or dirt trails can be just as exciting as riding a large powerful machine. The DT 50X encourages riders to explore, experiment, and enjoy the journey. Fuel efficiency is another advantage of the 2026 Yamaha DT50X. Small engines are known for excellent fuel economy, allowing riders to travel long distances without using much fuel. This makes the motorcycle economical for daily commuting and weekend adventures alike. Maintenance is also straightforward. Yamaha motorcycles have a reputation for reliability, and the DT series has always been known for durability. With proper care and regular servicing, the DT50X can remain dependable for many years. Riders who prefer simple and practical machines will appreciate this aspect of the bike. The connection to the historic Yamaha DT family adds another layer of appeal. Earlier DT models became legendary because they combined road comfort with off-road capability. They were among the first motorcycles that allowed riders to commute during the week and ride trails on weekends. The 2026 model continues this idea, offering versatility for modern riders. Customization is another fun aspect of owning a bike like this. Many riders enjoy adding accessories such as hand guards, skid plates, or unique graphics kits. These additions not only improve the bike's functionality but also allow riders to express the personal style. Because the motorcycle is lightweight and compact, transporting it is easy as well. Riders can load it into a pickup truck or small trailer for off-road trips. This makes it perfect for weekend adventures where riders want to explore new trails away from busy roads. Riding the 2026 Yamaha DT50X is all about freedom and exploration. The bike may have a small engine, but the riding experience is full of excitement. Dirt paths, forest roads, and quiet countryside routes become playgrounds for riders who enjoy adventure. For many riders, a bike like this becomes their first step into the world of motorcycling. Learning on a lightweight machine builds confidence and skills that stay with riders for life. That's one reason motorcycles like the DT50X remain so important in the riding community. The styling of the bike also plays a big role in its popularity. The tall stance, aggressive design, and bold graphics give it a sporty identity. Even standing still, the motorcycle looks ready for action. Versatility is another key advantage. The DT50X can handle daily commuting, weekend trail rides, and casual exploration. This ability to perform in multiple environments makes it a practical and enjoyable motorcycle for many types of riders. As interest in small displacement motorcycles continues to grow, bikes like the 2026 Yamaha DT50X are becoming more appealing. They are affordable, efficient, and incredibly fun to ride. For young riders especially, they offer an accessible way to enter the world of motorcycling. Here on SI Motor, we love exploring motorcycles that bring excitement and adventure to riders. The DT50X perfectly represents the spirit of fun riding, combining Yamaha's legendary heritage with a fresh modern design. The 2026 Yamaha DT50X shows that you don't need a massive engine to enjoy motorcycling. With its lightweight build, capable suspension, and classic trail bike character, it delivers a riding experience that feels adventurous and engaging. That's all for today's video here on SI Motor. If you enjoyed learning about the 2026 Yamaha DT50X, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow bike lovers, and subscribe to SI Motor for more motorcycle content. Until the next ride, stay safe, keep exploring, and enjoy every mile of the journey.